I'm waking up before the light breaks, got my charts, analyzing data while the whole world sleeps. I'm on my art, candlesticks and trends, man, I'm hitting hard, calculating risk like a beast, I'm raising the bar. Market's volatile, gotta read the signs. In this game of chance, I'm drawing my lines. I'm the king of the market, rule.
All right, all right, all right. You can see every time it comes up here, it's getting rejected. So it already got rejected 3 times. One at 6:30, 6:35. Right here, it got rejected again. We have news dropping in about a minute and 30 seconds. It got rejected. We could see this push to the downside. We'll be ready whatever direction it goes in. So we'll see right here. Keeps getting rejected to the upside. So now we might get this push down. We might get this flush down. Let's see. No trades for me yet. It's looking like it does want to come down though. So we're gonna go ahead and move this away, and we're gonna put this. If it does break, I want to say if it breaks right here, I'm gonna get in. If it breaks this kind of this pre-market low at 29,170, but ideally I want to get in around 29,156, somewhere around this area. We have news coming out right now in about 40 seconds. So if we do break right here, if we open somewhere on the bottom right here, I'll be possibly looking to get an early entry. And then room for the downside. We need to break through the support, but I will have my finger on the trigger ready to go. We have about 10 seconds left until the news comes out. So let's see what's gonna happen right here. I like to give it about a minute or two once the news settles. Okay, we have this is the news candlestick. You can already see the volatility, but it keeps getting rejected. So it's kind of looking like it does want to go lower. Keeps getting rejected. Each time it goes higher, gets rejected. So I might be looking to enter some sales to be honest. Okay, let's see if so it looks like it wants to retest the trend line again that keeps getting broke, that keeps getting rejected. If it does that, then we're gonna get in the longs if it breaks it. So we are prepared to enter whatever direction. Let's see, getting rejected again up here. Let's see what else happens. You can see we're trying to come up, getting rejected. That's kind of looking like it does want to sell off a little bit. We need to break through this trend line and then also break out of the 200 SMA as well for better confirmation. If it gets rejected again for the fourth time, then that's going to tell me that, hey, we actually want to probably come down. You can see right here, one, two, three times came up here, got rejected. Let's see if it can try to come up the fourth time. And if it gets rejected again, that means buyers are very weak. So let's see if it looks like it wants to retest this area again. So let's see what's going to happen. Either we're going to break out of it or we're going to get rejected in this area. Getting rejected again. Again, it got rejected for the fourth time already. For the fourth time, it got rejected. So, hmm, very interesting. Very interesting. Makes me kind of want to go short already because it got rejected for the fourth time. So that means it's showing weakness to me. But we really haven't got the people who want to come in and sell either. But I mean, just by the rejections, that's telling me that, hey, it's failing to go higher. And maybe we may get that push to the down, maybe we get that flush to the downside. So it's leaning like it kind of wants to come down. Yeah, because we're failing to go higher. For the fourth time, one, two, three, four times we got rejected. Now it may start to sell off now. It may start to sell off. So I'll tell you what, if we do break that pre-market little low down here, this support, then I'm going to enter with some shorts. Got rejected four times up here. Now I think it's going to try to come down. I'll be entering with some shorts. If it does, it's looking like it wants to come down. I'm not being biased. All I'm doing is looking at the chart. You have the support down here. So ideally, I wanted to break below here, but this could be a early entry. Feel like we may get that little drop. No trades for me yet. It keeps going lower and lower, kind of squeezing in this area right here. So let's see what happens. Looks like we want to come down. Looks like we kind of want to break down a little bit. Okay, coming up. Drag this over a little bit. And we're squeezing in this little area right here. You can see this little squeeze getting tighter and tighter in this little area. We do have this little trend as well. Nice little trend. I'm gonna draw that little line as well, just for visual representation. You can see right here, we do have this little channel right here. For visual representation, I am gonna draw this little line right here. So we're in this little channel right here. We need to break out of it to the downside. Looking like we want to drop right now. We need to break out of this little channel for visual representation. Looking like we want to go down. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Hmm. Okay, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Okay, we're getting that volatility right there. We're getting that volatility. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. It looks like we want to break out to the upside. Okay, we got that little push. Kind of liking the volatility right there. But let's see if it holds. We're up about 38 points, got rejected. Let's see if it retests that. If it retests this area, I'm going to enter with some longs right here. If it retests the high, I'm going to enter with some longs. If it retests that high, okay, Very, very close to entering, and I am gonna enter if it retests that high. If it breaks out of that little high right there, I'm gonna enter. Ready for the long. Okay, I am gonna waiting, 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 waiting. Looking strong, looking strong. I'm gonna enter with the so close to getting the longs. I'm in the longs, looking like it wants to break out. I'm gonna take the longs. I'm in the longs right now. There it goes. I'm in the longs. We're breaking out of this little channel. We're seeing that momentum rise. We're seeing the volume rise. We're in right now. We are in the longs. We are in the longs. We're in the longs, baby. Let's go. Looking good, looking good. We're up about 70 points on this candlestick, 69 points. I'm gonna enter with some more contracts right there. Taking the longs. We're back in the channel. We are back in the channel. Got rejected. See, we're gonna have a tight stop. We're back in that channel. Let's see if it holds. See if we get that continuation or if it's a fake out. Let's see if it's gonna hold. Come on. Looks like it wants to break out. Okay, I don't like how it's kind of showing a little bit of weakness. If we end up coming back down, I'm gonna get out, but right now it's looking okay. Let's see if we're gonna get that push. Let's see if we're gonna get that push. Let's see if we're gonna get it. Okay, okay, okay. We're getting it a little bit. We're gonna get this push. It looks, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Right there, right there. Right there, baby. Let's go. Come on. Stay patient with it. Stay patient with it. Stay patient. There it goes. 200. There it goes. We're gonna get 100 points on this move right here, baby. Let's go. 100 points on this move. Let's go, baby. Come on. Give us over 100 points on this move. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. There it goes. There it goes, baby. There it goes. Yes, let's get that continuation. Come on, let's get that continuation. I like it. Come on, let's get it where it looks like we want to break out of the channel. There we go. Yes, all right. I'm selling one contract right there. Let's go. Come on. It's looking very strong right now. It's looking very strong. Let's get that push. There we go. Sound another contract. Bam. I have two. I sold half of my position. Very, very good push right there. That's about 50 points to the upside right there. That was pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. I do wish I sized in more, but it's okay. Trying to get these little base hits, but I kind of want to pass it today and get funded. All I need is about, actually, that was good right there. I need about seven more $100 and I'll pass this challenge. I do like we're getting a little pullback right there. We're still above the EMAs, but we're at the 200 SMA. Would have been a good time. Okay, we're coming back down, but I want to enter again here. I do like the fact that we're right there, kind of retesting this area. Okay, I'll have a tight stop just in case from some crazy wicks. See if it could get me back to the top, retest that high. We do have the 200 SMA right here. I did expect some resistance. Let's see. I'll be quick to get out just in case. Come on, push back up, push back up, push back up. Take me higher, baby. Take me higher. Take me higher. Take me higher. Take me higher. Order filled. Take me higher. Come on. Give me that push to the upside. Give me that push to the upside. Take me higher right here. Come on, NASDAQ. Looks like we are going to get that squeeze to the upside. Come on. There we go. Looks like we're going to get that squeeze. There we go. Come on. There we go. Let's retest that high. Come on. Retest that high, NASDAQ. Come on. Give me that squeeze, NASDAQ. Come on to the upside. Give me that squeeze to the upside. Let's get it real quick. We're gonna get it, NASDAQ, or no? Come on. Ah, we're right there. We are right there. It looks like we do want to get that little squeeze. Come on. We're gonna get it. Ah, it's coming back down. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm holding just a little bit longer. It's still above the EMA, so we're giving it some time. But if it does get this drop right here, let's see, 34 points, 36 points. At 45 points, I'll get out. Let's see if it holds it, if it respects it. We're getting that retest. We're kind of getting rejected a little bit. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out the trade. That was an okay trade. We did gain some profit. We gave it back though. Let's see if we re-enter. Let's see if we'll re-enter. If it wants to claim the high again, when it breaks out, we'll enter again. Okay, I'm entering again. Entering again. I like that rejection. I like how it got rejected. I'm in the trade again. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to push higher. Give us some more. Come on, 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 come on. There it goes. Give us that little squeeze higher. Come on, NASDAQ.
Order filled.
There we go. Covering some profit again right there. We are getting that little squeeze a little bit. We're so close right there. There it goes.
Order filled.
Taking some off, trimming as we're going. Do like how we are bouncing back up. I only got 4 contracts. See if we're gonna get that push. There we go. We are getting that little push to the upside again. There we go. I do like how it got rejected and we're pushing right back up. Let's see if we can get that continuation. I want us to break that high again up here. If we could break this high, then we should be off to the moon. Okay. Okay, I'm covering a little bit profit. I got 3 contracts, nothing crazy. We would have been at 600 bucks already, but we did get back a little bit by holding too long. So I'm just gonna try to scalp this as much as I can. I don't want to give back anything. So I will set my stop to break even, only because I'm trying to lock in some profit. But then it still looks like it wants to go higher. There it goes. Oh, let's see. There it goes. There, I'm covering again. Another one right there to the top. There we go. Covered another one. We're squeezing. We're pushing. That's a good sign. Very good sign. I'm just gonna trail my stop basically. So I have 2 right here. I'm gonna trail my stop to like break even. I'm gonna put it below this wick right here. And if this keeps rising, I'm gonna keep trailing my position, my winner. That way, this is automatically a winning trade. There we go. We're pushing more. There we go. We're getting that little pop right there. Do like that. I'm gonna follow it. Just locking the gains as they come. Good trade. Good trade. We do have room to the upside. We're getting that pop, that little squeeze. So I'll put it at this, yeah, right about here. There we go. We're getting that squeeze. We're getting that squeeze. This is some good moves. I'll take advantage of it. 30 points. Going back down. It looks good
Order
though.
filled.
It's looking good.
Order
There's
filled.
some more profit right there. Getting that nice squeeze. I'm gonna sell one
Order
contract.
filled.
That's a beautiful squeeze. I wish I would have sized in right there, man. That's a beautiful squeeze. It's a nice squeeze right there. Kind of wish I would have went in high. Got that beautiful retest. We're breaking out on the 15. Everything's looking good. Bob is going to be right there. I do think we can squeeze more out of this. There it goes, popping some more. It's going higher. Breaking out of that 15-minute channel. It's looking pretty good.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Continuing to push. It's looking strong. It's looking very strong. But then Mac, we got all them crossing, MACD's crossing. We got the EMAs crossing over. It's looking pretty strong, to be honest. Looking pretty strong. Yeah, it's still looking good. So even if I could keep this one contract and not get stopped out, it can technically give me like an extra 500 bucks, technically, if it goes to the top. So stay patient with it. And that stopped right there. I do respect that. Still looking very good. But wait a little bit. Still looking good. I don't want to enter right here. If we do boom back green, I kind of do want to enter. It is still looking good. We're at the 200 SMA though, so I want to get a close above the 200 SMA. So if we do get a close above the 200 SMA, which is right here, I'm gonna enter again. And I'll go with two contracts and I'll aim for a good risk to reward on that point. Uh, let's see what we can do. Okay, where it looks like we want to kind of go back high. The EMAs are kind of crossing over as well. Oh, see what happens right here. See if we get this little push back to the upside. Well, I think that's it today for today, guys. $500. times 5. And, that's it. We took a good breakout trade to the upside, and we were able to capitalize off of it. I might take a tiny trade. This could be a little
Order
retest.
filled.
Might take a little tiny trade right here at the very bottom. Have a tight stop. My stop will probably be like around right about here. This will probably be a tight stop around here. Yeah. One more trade to the upside. See if we can push right back higher. It's an extra 20, maybe even $100 on this move, an extra $100. I like the fact that it's pushing back higher, pushing back higher. At that point, we're going to trail our stop will be below here. Stop now is going to be right. We want to give it a little bit room. We have about 1 minute and 40 seconds left. Want to give it a little bit more room. It's looking like it. See if it's going to hold. I like the fact that it wants to hold. We'll put our stop. Okay, okay. We're getting a little push. Okay, I do like that. We're going to follow the stop now. We're going to follow the stop. Do like how we're getting that little push back higher. And then even if we do get stopped out, at least we'll cover some profit. As this continues to go higher, I will follow it. If it does, I get stopped, at least I gain something. Goes pushing higher. I'm going to follow this now. Tight stop, trailing my stop, trailing it, trying to lock in those gains, trailing it as much as I can. It's pushing higher. This is a very fair spot right here. We're getting that little push higher. Very, very good. Very, very good. Trailing it a little bit more. Try to lock in as much as possible. Try to lock in as much as possible right here. Okay, it's looking like we do want to push higher now. I like that retest. Now let's see if we can retest this high up here. There it goes. It looks like it wants to retest this high. One contract is giving us around $80 already, which is very, very good. I like to add in around 80. So I'm gonna add in
Order
another, add in another contract. There we go. We're pushing. See if it could give me around 120-ish. I'll lock in some more. See, we're getting that squeeze. Let's see if it could give us some more. I think we're going to get that push to the upside. It's looking like it wants to push to the upside right now. Looking like it does want to push to the upside. Give me about 120. That's what I'm targeting, about 120. Targeting around 120 right here. We're about 80. That's where I got in my second contract. About 80. I want to target around $120 on this one. And I'll sell my one contract. We're still hovering around 80. Let's see if we're going to get that little push to the upside. We should get it right here. See if we're going to get it right here. Either way, we're going to lock in profit. I think we're going to get it. It's kind of holding. Be patient with it. There we go. We hit 90 right there. There we go. I rejected pretty fast right there. When we retest it, it looks like it wants to retest that high. Okay. We're at 190. Back at 80. Should have locked in at 100 maybe, but yeah. It looks like it kind of wants to go higher. It is hesitating though. It is hesitating. It looks like we're gonna get stopped right here. If it does get stopped, it's fine. I'm gonna just bet.
Stop.
Whoa, that was quick. That was
Order
quick.
filled.
Quick little stop right there. Very, very quick. Probably like a liquidity grab right there though. I'm actually gonna re-enter right here. I think this is a
Order
very good
filled.
spot to re-enter.
Order filled.
About 5 contracts, very tight stop, very tight stop. Very tight stop. There we go.
Order filled.
Okay, bam, out the trade,
Order filled.
574. Not bad. All right, guys, I'm done for the day. We made 574 across each account, and we are good to go. One step closer to passing the eval. Done for the day.